I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see your Google Pixel notification history. And to be clear, your Google Pixel notification history is only saved on a rolling 24-hour basis, so any notifications you dismissed more than 24 hours ago won't show up in this list. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your Google Pixel. Step 2. Tap Notifications in the menu on this screen. Associated options are displayed. Step 3. Find the Manage section and then tap Notification History in this section. Step 4. Check to make sure Use Notification History is enabled at the top of this menu. If it isn't, you'll need to toggle it on in order to see your Google Pixel notification history. If notification history is enabled, you'll see a Recently Dismissed section at the top, which will show your notifications you've recently dismissed. And if you scroll down further, you'll see a Last 24 Hours section where you'll see all of the apps that have sent you notifications that you've dismissed over the last 24 hours and the count of notifications associated with those apps. Tap the drop-down arrow associated with those apps to see the list of notifications associated with those apps. And again, it's important to note that your Google Pixel notification history is only saved on a rolling 24-hour basis, so any notifications you dismissed more than 24 hours ago won't show up in this list. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.